you guess what animal is it? Turtle. Okay, I'm going to show you one more picture here. Can you guess? Crab. Good job. Repeat after me, please. Crab. Crab. Okay. Oh, what is that? Yeah, what is that called in English? Mermaid. Well done. Mermaid. High five. Mermaid. Ye tu malu bolu khorale. Mermaid. Repeat after me, no. Oh, this is the parts of the body of the mermaids. The mermaid's body. Oh, this one is fish. What is that called? Fish. Okay. And about this one? Octopus. Repeat after me, please. Octopus. Okay. Do you know how many tentacles does an octopus have? Octopus ma tu lakle bana ku shi ya le. Are you sure? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many tentacles does an octopus have? 8. Okay, repeat after me, please. There are like 8 tentacles. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show this one. Oh, well done. Jellyfish. One more time. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Oh, this is the mermaid bodies. This is the turtle's body, crab. And then I have this one. That's it. Okay. Okay, teacher's going to ask you like, where can we see like that kind of animals? Where can we see? In the water. Yes, you are correct. We can also see them in the sea. Okay. Oh, this one. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So the topic we are going to talk about is like the animals we can see under the sea. Okay. Ye ma twi de animals li de jaw teacher wa pyo ra. Okay, no? So we have to talk more about the animals here. Okay.